Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will discuss about the cons about my Vespa 300. I hope that you will enjoy the video, that you will find useful things, because I want to create this like a review, something that is not just maybe my opinion, but it's just a commenting about all the users that possess Vespa, that they all can agree with me. I will just try to be as objective as I can be, and let me know in the comments what's your feelings about it, how you feel it, if you have a Vespa like me, if you agree with me, if you don't, you can express your feelings, emotions about it. And if you have any other questions, maybe because you want to buy yourself a new one, you can of course ask me everything. This just have a purpose of entertainment and maybe just a review or something. So let me know everything you want to know in the comments, and yes, let's go and have fun.
Okay, the first thing that really bothers me, so I would say con number one is electronics. These new scooters, they all have electronics and this stuff. And what really bothers me is when you accelerate to 130 kilometers per hour, electronica immediately stops you. You can hold the throttle, it doesn't matter. It will slow you down, the scooter will make a sound like woo, and it will just slow down to 120, and then you will be again able to reach 130, but you cannot go over 130 kilometers per hour. You just feel in your hands that you just hear the voice of the engine that it would go, but it cannot because of the electronics. I don't know why it is like that. It's really annoying. I was searching on the internet if anybody are producing these electronics that will allow to go over 130, but I didn't find anything. So if you know something about it, because to my knowledge it doesn't exist anything, just leave a comment and I will be very grateful if you'll help me how to resolve this problem. The con number two, one of the most, how can I say, annoying thing is that you cannot put two jet helmets inside of this trunk. I try many different ways how to put them, to rotate them, to do everything I can, but they cannot go to inside. You cannot close the trunk, they just cannot go. If I said for the backpack that they can easily go inside, you have no any chances to close the trunk. You cannot, it's just impossible, and this is kind of annoying because I don't know where I hear that two jets can go inside but they cannot go, and this is one of the most annoying things, that in the trunk they cannot go to helmets. This thing really bothers me. The con number three, the accessories. Anything that doesn't come with your scooter is so expensive. Now I'm talking about the backpack, about this mirror, about the exhaust system that I don't have it yet, but however, this is really expensive. You have to pay for the backpack, for this leather, and even for this mount for the backpack. So basically you have to pay for everything. Even with the mirror, you have to buy different parts, and this is super expensive. Like everything that is Vespa is super expensive. I want also to buy the exhaust system, a Krapovic, and it is also very expensive. And yes, this is the one of the also most annoying things, because it's not cheap. It is about, I don't know, 1,000 euros if you want to have all the additional equipment for your scooter. The con number 4, if I said before, for this USB adapter that is very useful, this entire, I don't know, entire trunk is very small. You can put maybe 2 mobile phones, maybe some papers, but nothing else. Other scooters have much more space here, and it's okay. You can put the mobile phone and maybe the keys and something like this, but nothing special. And these things in this trunk, maybe they could create a little bit bigger, a little bit not wider, but I don't know, in the deep, you know. And this is one thing that maybe could get better in the future. And the last thing, the number 5 con that I have to say, the seat. It's cool, it's really and soft and smooth and elegant and everything if you're driving alone. But if 2 big guys are sitting on it, it can be a little bit too small, a little bit. I don't say that it's really a disaster, I will not say that, but just a little bit longer I would expect. Just a couple of centimeters here and maybe a little bit wider, a centimeter or 2. It would be really nice thing if they could produce such a thing. But this is just my opinion. Maybe if you're driving 1 guy and 1 girl, it is completely okay and you don't feel a need for a bigger seat. But if 2 big guys are sitting on it, you feel a little bit discomfort, maybe not, but I wanted to say that. And guys, these were my opinions about the cons about my scooter. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and if you have maybe your opinions, just express themselves in the comments. We can talk about them. If you think the other way that I do, not a problem. This is just my opinion, my review, how I see my scooter. See you in the future videos, and till then, have fun. Bye.